First you gotta forgive me. Just let me know everything gon' be okay if I come out with everything I did. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about another ready to wear and go wig. This one is from UNICE Hair Company. They sent me the curly with blonde highlights, 20 inches, and it's on a 6 by 4.5 lace closure. What I want to say right off the bat, I normally wear average cap size wigs. So this one I feel like is a little bit bigger, and the fact that it doesn't have adjustable straps didn't allow me to really tighten this wig to be super snug where it could be completely glueless. With that being said, I wanted to show you guys, if you were in my predicament, what you can do to actually put this wig on in a very easy way. I also want to mention that if you have a larger head or you wear large cap size wigs, this would be perfect for you. You most likely won't have to do what you're about to see me doing to this wig to install it, because it would fit snug on your head since it's bigger. This wig came pre-plucked. I didn't have to do any prepping when it came to this wig other than co-washing this unit. I didn't even use any shimmery lights or purple shampoo to tone the blonde. This is just how it's going to look when you get it, and I actually really like it. I'm usually like an ash blonde type of person, and this is fine. I like it. It doesn't look too yellowishy or nothing like that. It came pre-cut and it came with baby hairs. I'm actually really enjoying the wigs that are coming with their baby hairs already swooped and cut. It just makes it so much easier for me, especially because I'm not one who is like really good at baby hairs. I'm not gonna even front. Like, I'm just really not good with it. So the fact that it came with it is good. I'm sorry if you hear my daughter crying. She's in her room. She's having a hard time like adjusting to being in a room by herself. So I definitely apologize if you hear her. Don't worry, she's okay. She's okay. Just a little bit, just distressed. She's just a little distressed. The curl pattern's absolutely beautiful. It's lightweight. I'm not having a problem with it being too frizzy, so I wouldn't even suggest using any product in the hair because it's beautiful the way it is, just with co-washing and that's it, and letting it air dry. The volume is good. I really have nothing bad to say. The only thing that I would suggest the companies do when you're selling these ready to go wigs, please, for us average cap size wearers, put the adjustable straps on the wig. The elastic band is not enough for us, okay? So yeah, okay, so that's really about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.
Yeah.
let me know everything gon' be okay. If I come out with everything I did, would you punish me even though I did a long time ago? If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say no? Would you break my heart? Would you embarrass me or play your part? Baby, don't fold, my heart is yours. You got the power, you got